Wow, it's already egg. So is it my turn?
Yeah, now it is.
Wow, there you go.
I did it with one hand.
To remove the dirt. Yan. It's a salted egg. I forgot to take the tong
Oopsie daisy.
so that I can put in the egg. Oh my gosh, I make it so hard. So nice are plants there. Hanging plants. There you go. It's time to cook again.
Mine's much cleaner than yours.
Oh yeah, because it's stuck. Okay, how can I put in
I don't know.
without cracking it? I know. It's like that. Okay. Da. Okay. I have to put in. Huwag kang mabasag. It's a salted egg. 2 pieces of salted egg. And then we can take already the chicken eggs.
Then where's the place, anybody?
In the cupboard. Ayan guys. Ganyan lang magluto ng hard-boiled egg. 5 minutes. Yes, bebe. Yan. Kailangan mo siyang i-push kung naging charcoal na yung wood. Ayan. O, diba guys? Para hindi na ako gagamit ng gasol. 3 years na akong hindi nakapagluto sa ganito. Ayan. O, diba? Meron din kaming gamit para pag-ihip. Ayan. Tubo siya na plastic. But I have to be careful sa fire para hindi matunaw. Ayan. Yes, thank you, bebe. Yan na yung alaga ko. Tuwata ko. Yes, that's good. But you forget to take the tong. We cannot hold the egg. It's hot. You know, in the drawer. In the living room.
Bubble.
Yeah, because I just put the salted egg. Siya kasi yung excited magluto nito, guys. Tinulungan ko lang siya. Siya ang may idea na magluto ng wood. Gamit ang wood. Panggatong, ang kahoy. Ayan. May alagang si Lily. Ang may idea na magluto ng kahoy. Kasi pinapa-experience ng papa nila yung buhay noong unang panahon. Ayan. Kaya pinapayagan sila. Kaya hindi pa ako nakalinis ng kwarto kasi I have to look after her while cooking these eggs. Are you coming? Yay! It's time to take the egg. Okay, be careful. I do. There you go. Are you cooked already? Oh, eggs? Oopsie. Okay, this is for Lily.
Look at you.
This is for Cockolium.
If you want. Why is the smoke following me?
Yeah, because of the air. The air is here. The direction of the air is going there, so the smoke is following you. Okay, that is yours and your 2 coco. 3 hard-boiled eggs. And this is mine. Thank you, baby. There you go. So, the left are the 2 salted eggs that we are going
We can
to
kiss.
boil.
Kissing.
They are kissing. So, they are so sweet. Yes. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda ng fire. The fire is a big fire. And then we are in the forest. Look, Lily, did you see this already?
Yeah, I know. We saw it on Liam's birthday.
Ah, oh my God.
Party.
Oh, you saw at Liam's party. There you go. This is the friendly bee. But I cannot. Guys, ayan. Ang laki ng kanilang.
If you don't think we're in